Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. Hello, peace, guys. Yesterday I actually saw the new Star Trek movie, which, well, was okay. A bit sketchy at the end there, but hey, it's Star Trek. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be opening the new Ryobi multifunction machine, I think it's called. Yeah. And the reason I bought one is not that I actually needed one, but I needed a flashlight. But the flashlight does not come with a fucking battery, so I had to buy that instead to get battery. I don't want to buy the only battery, so I buy like a package and stuff where you actually get a battery included. So I'm gonna be taking a look at that, and you're welcome to join me. So here we go. Okay, so here are the boxes. Right here, yeah, it's Ryobi, Ryobi, oh Ryobi. Yeah, so that will be good. Let's see if we can get this thing open. Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. Look at that! There's nothing left in the box. But instead I got this suitcase, whatever, and check it out! Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. Okay, so here we go. And I'm gonna open it. Wow, look at that monster charger. And it's green. Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. And the case, well, is this multifunctional machine, which I actually don't need, but it may come in handy. Yeah, looks to be used though, but I guess it's new. It's a versatile multi-purpose tool ideal for sewing, sanding, cutting, and many more applications. So that's me being a little bit more serious and showing my respect to Ryobi, the multifunctional tool. And there's a safety clip here and stuff, so I can't press it. What the f... Oh, here we go. So you just click that and oh fuck, can you see that? It's like a lever here. So now you can. Oh, you can? It's supposed to be in the middle, I guess. Yeah, okay, whatever. And here is why I bought the multifunction machine in the first place. It's a battery. Pretty nifty, pretty neat, looking flashy. It can take a lot of heat. Yeah. And that's the plastic bag that came with. Yeah, okay, so now for the ultimate unpacking of the new flashlight from Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. Okay, so here we go. And yeah, look at this, guys. There's a man there handling the machine pretty well. Yeah, so whatever. Okay, but here's the main attraction. Are you ready? This is it. Flashlight from Ryobi, and a little thing here. So yeah, so the thing here is that I have the battery and I have the flashlight. So there's the hole, there's the flashlight, and nice, huh? So now I'll be able to. Jesus, I didn't know there was any power in here. There's not a lot of power, but I can actually. Ryobi, Ryobi, Ryobi. Well, I guess that was it. Thank you again for watching my stupid ass going through my stuffer. Open wide. I'll talk to you later. Ryobi, Ryobi.